Now I will be sharing with you a bundle of idioms and phrases related to this amazing topic. Number 1, get the ball rolling, which means to start a project or activity. For example, let's get the ball rolling on our new marketing campaign. The next one is think outside the box, which means to think creatively and consider unconventional approaches. Example, we need to think outside the box to solve this problem. And the next idiom is break new ground, which means to do something innovative or pioneering. For example, the company's latest product launch broke new ground in the industry. And the next one, hit the ground running, which means to start a new project or job with great energy and enthusiasm. For example, our new team member hit the ground running and made an immediate impact. And the next one is go the extra mile, which means to put in extra effort or go beyond what is expected. For example, the successful entrepreneur is always willing to go the extra mile to satisfy customers. And the next one is strike a deal, which means to negotiate and reach an agreement. For example, the two companies struck a deal to collaborate on a new project. And the next is keep one's eye on the ball, which means to stay focused and attentive to the task at hand. For example, as an entrepreneur, it's important to keep your eye on the ball and adapt to market changes. And the next important phrase is cash cow, a product, business, or investment that generates consistent and substantial profits. For example, their flagship product has become a cash cow, providing a steady income stream. The next one, swim with sharks, which means to operate or compete in a challenging or highly competitive environment. For example, the entrepreneur had to learn how to swim with sharks in the fast-paced tech industry. And the next is raise the bar, which means to set high standards or expectations. Example, the company's new product raised the bar for the entire industry. And this one, play hardball, which means to engage in aggressive or uncompromising tactics in negotiation or business dealings. For example, the company had to play hardball to secure the best terms in the partnership agreement. And this one, burn the midnight oil, which means to work late into the night or put in extra hours of work. For example, the startup team burned the midnight oil to meet the project deadline.